I want to talk about Jesus losing stuff. My real question is, why does he want us to understand this so bad? This concept of something gets lost and then it gets found and then like you get all excited. But I want to know, why is this so important beyond the obvious? Why did he want us to understand this concept beyond the obvious? Every single one of you knows what it's like to lose something and then find it, yes or no? Since you were like literally a child, that feel like, have you ever seen a child lose a toy? He don't understand shit, right? He's just like, oh shit, I don't have that anymore. And then he starts crying and going crazy. And then you pull it out behind the ear or some shit, the kid's fine again. Every single person in the world has experienced this. What's something you lost and then got back? Like really, really think about that feeling. Did it not feel like the most important thing has came back to you in some way? Think about how important that was to you. This is present in humans because I think it is a godlike quality to a certain degree. That means it probably came from God, and that's maybe why God keeps repeating it in different scenarios, this principle of loss in return. Isn't that funny? What does that sound like? Yeah, it does sound like stocks. It does sound like money. It does sound like a lot of personal development. God wants you to understand the concept of loss and return. The stock market dropped. All of you lost something. You all felt this yesterday. If you never go through losing anything and getting it back, you're always going to condemn yourself. Because if we never experience something lost and then coming back, it will make you condemn yourself. Because until it becomes important to you to value things, where you start valuing what you lost and then you value it when it came back and you knew what it's like, till you really get that, you're always going to think one mistake or losing track or losing focus is going to be the death of you. But it's not. If you really could understand some of the broader sense of why this is so important to God and why we all could experience this feeling, maybe it's so that we understand that there's always going to be something to strive for. Try to value that feeling. Think about it, and I think there's an answer in there.